Hello, I am Ronak Pandit. I won the gold medal at the 2006 Commonwealth Games. I'm going to talk to you about shooting sport, which is actually divided into two streams of rifle and pistol shooting. And this in my hand is a 10-meter Olympic air pistol. Now, what you see here, this and this constitute the sights. So when we say we are aiming at the target, we are actually aligning the front sight and the back sight in line with the center of the target. This is where we load our bullet. So once the bullet is loaded here, we close this action, and then on pressing this trigger, the shot actually gets fired. Now it is called an air pistol because it uses air to fire the shot. This golden cylinder that you see here stores air under a high pressure of 200 bars. If you hear this is the sound of the air. This is how we lock up the cylinder, load the gun, aim and shoot. So now we are done with the pistol. Another important accessory that we use for shooting are the shooting glasses. What you see here are the shooting glasses. Now here, this is a lens from which we look at the sights and do our aiming. This is an occluder which helps block the vision of the non-shooting eye. The shooting glasses are worn like this. We use this for the shooting eye. This blocks the vision of the non-shooting eye so that we can see our sights and make the aim perfectly. These are called sight blinders, which help cut out the distraction of neighboring shooters and spectators, which helps us maintain our focus and concentration on the shot. So this is the position we take after wearing our glasses. We aim and boom, goes a perfect shot. Shooting sport is mainly classified into three parts: rifle shooting, pistol shooting and shotgun shooting. In this event, we have only the rifle and pistol shooting which is being held here. Now the main difference between rifle and pistol shooting is that rifle is shot with the long big guns which weigh almost 6 to 7 kilos as compared to pistols which weigh about 1 kilo. Pistols are a lot smaller and we do not use any other equipment to hold the pistol steady. For rifle shooting, a shooter wears jackets and trousers and special shoes which help him hold the gun steady because the 10th ring, which we call the bullseye, is smaller than 1 millimeter, whereas the bullseye of the pistol shooting is 11.5 millimeters. Now, after the accessory of shooting glasses comes the main part. How does a shooter actually win or lose? How is the scoring done? What does a target look like? So if you see here, that is an electronic target. This, what you see here, is a paper target, which we used to use in the olden days. The electronic target is the same as the paper target. What rings you see here are displayed on our monitor. So when we shoot on those targets, the monitor shows us the result of our shot. To understand the scoring process better, we should take a top angle shot. Now, I can explain the scoring process much better from a top angle shot. This shot now is a dead center 10.9. In the qualification round, whether the shot is here or here in any direction, it does not matter. A shooter gets a full 10 points. But in the finals, this would fetch you a 10.9. This would be 10.8, 10.7, 10.6, 10.5, 10.2, 10.0, and this is how in the finals even half millimeter makes a big difference as the scoring gets down to decimals. Now a shot here would be a 9.9 because it is missing the 10th ring. This is a 9.0. If a shooter hits here, he gets an 8.7, a 7.5 and so on. So now I hope you understand the difference between winning and losing can come down to 0.1 of an mm. This is all from the Ronak Pandit shooting classes. Till then, enjoy the matches.